Hey YouTube, welcome back to the garage. Today I'm going to be telling you about 5 things that I hate about the stock JK. But before you watch, make sure you hit that subscribe button and wait till the end of the video to figure out how you guys can win free LED headlights. The first thing that I hate about the stock JK are the fenders. They're absolutely terrible. So as you can see, we shaved mine, but before being shaved, the stock ones don't really give much clearance for the tires, even if you want to upgrade without getting a lift. So we shaved mine. Absolutely hate them. I hate that it's plastic as well. Don't really feel safe in them. Really easy to dent. The second thing that I absolutely hate about the stock JK are these plastic bumpers. They make you super vulnerable for an accident from behind. They're dented super easily. You're pretty much just vulnerable on the road if anyone hits you going really high speed and back. Your frame's vulnerable, and yeah, definitely need to be replaced on all of them.
And I hate the color of them too. I mean, they're like gray. I know some people use tire shine and stuff like that, but ultimately it's a shame that a 2015 vehicle that costs so much comes with crappy bumpers like this.
The next thing that I absolutely dislike about these stock JKs are their headlights. As you can see, these are my upgraded LED lights. You guys have a chance to win them to get to 500 subscribers, so wait till the end and make sure you hit that red button. But the stock ones just look old all around. They're kind of yellowish. They don't really put out that much light, and if you live on a street like mine, I need light, and they don't really put out enough light. So these ones have running daylights. The blinkers have different colors. You can have different patterns as well on these. So I would definitely not recommend keeping the stock headlights on these JKs. The next thing that I dislike about these JKs is their head unit as well as their speakers. This head unit leaves a lot to be desired, to be completely honest. Although it has all the settings to have your 6 radio stations, it doesn't get very loud, especially with a soft top. Even when the soft top is closed, you can't really hear the radio even though it's all the way blasted. We also had to change out the speakers to enhance the quality, but it still leaves room to be desired. So we changed out the speakers. Hopefully the next thing to be changed is its head unit. If you'd like to see the head unit changed, leave a comment below and we'll get that done. The last thing that I dislike about these JKs are the way these seats sit. So the stock seats usually sit pretty straight up. What we've done is put spacers underneath where the seats go from the floor so that it goes back a little bit further and it gives a little bit of more comfortable sit for my passengers.
Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Arlene said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.